Looking for a quick, healthy, and delicious meal? This vibrant veggie stir-fry is packed with fresh flavors, colorful vegetables, and comes together in just minutes. Perfect for a busy day or when you want something light but satisfying. Let's get cooking. Let's start by preparing our fresh veggies. Cleanliness is key, so first, wash all your vegetables thoroughly under cold running water. Now it's time to chop. Begin with the broccoli. Cut it into small, bite-sized florets. Next, take your carrot and slice it thinly for that perfect crunch. Grab your bell pepper, remove the seeds, and chop it into bite-sized pieces. Finally, slice your zucchini into beautiful half-moon shapes. And there you have it. All your veggies are prepped and ready to go, fresh, colorful, and perfect for cooking. Heat a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Drizzle in a tablespoon of olive oil, letting it warm up for about 30 seconds. Add the minced garlic and stir it around until it becomes fragrant, about 30 seconds. Next, toss in the carrots and broccoli. Let them sauté for about 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Now add the bell peppers and zucchini. Stir together, making sure the heat stays even, and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. Finally, pour in the soy sauce and sesame oil. Give it all a good stir, making sure each piece is coated with that flavorful sauce. Let it cook for 1 to 2 more minutes, and there it is ready to serve. This is truly delightful. The vegetables are cooked to perfection, tender yet crisp, and the flavors blend wonderfully. The freshness of the ingredients is evident in every bite. It's a simple, wholesome, and satisfying dish that leaves you feeling content and nourished.